What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel for you. Now, normally I cover Moomoo at the end of the video, but I'm going to be giving away this sick action figure that they sent me for one of you guys. I'll show you pictures right here on the screen, or I'll overlay a cleaner video. It's still in the box, everything brand new, and I think it'd go extremely well with anyone's trade setup or computer desk setup or anything like that. All you literally have to do, and I'll be picking the winner probably by Monday, just so that you have time, is press the second link under the video and open a Moomoo account if you don't have one, and then deposit into your account and DM me proof on Discord or Twitter or my email. Okay, that's all you have to do, and I'm going to send this to one of you guys. Again, that is for Moomoo. It's the second link. It is a free broker. We'll cover more on that at the end of the video. Now, Andrew Left of Citron Research, as many of you know, tried shorting GameStop several times, failed, and got wiped out. Well, now he is facing a federal indictment from the SEC and is in the process of selling his assets as well, selling his mansion for $16 million. So this guy got absolutely fried. Now, before we jump into AMC and GameStop, FFIE. I'm sure all of you guys, if not most of you, have seen this stock absolutely ripping heads off, which ran recently back with GameStop as well as AMC. Could they follow? Absolutely. FFIE is up 114% as I'm making this video, trading at $7.65. I'm going to be completely honest, I don't see this thing going by $12, so if you FOMO in, just be aware of that $12 level as a rejection point, potentially. Also, playing options, anyone who's smart here, you will get IV crushed. Implied volatility is way too high on these contracts. And if you were to enter any sort of options contract, you better hope that this thing goes to $20 overnight. Also, looking pretty bullish is keeping an eye on Koss. It tested $10 3 different times, up 4.3% again on the day. This recently came up from $6 all the way to $10 and may break out of the mid-range. Once you see a candle break out of this, I have a feeling that the candle is going to explode fast up to around $12.30. So just keep an eye on Koss as well as some other squeeze plays. Now, AMC is experiencing a significant decrease in trading volume, as which many of us have seen. It is barcoding sideways, actually reaching historically low levels of trading volume. And off-exchange dark pool volume is about 55% of the stock's average volume, with lit volume only being 44%. So not only is the volume extremely low, but cut that by 55% of what we're trading and toss it out the window, and that low percentage of volume, 44% of it is all that's being traded, and that is why you're seeing absolutely zip zero nilch nothing happening with the stock. Now, according to Ortex, we're sitting at 13.86% short interest, so another slight rise in short interest. Again, we just pay attention to this for the trend. They are hiding short interest in ETFs and other things like that. Now, call to put ratio, we're losing on the option chain, and a lot of premium is going to be handed over to market makers. I said time and time again, if you are playing these, get some further expiration. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All in my personal opinion. 920 has a hefty options chain, which is September 20th, which I believe is quad witching, and that's why you see such a hefty chain here. And I think market direction and squeeze direction for a lot of plays is going to show where they're going to go by that time frame, okay? Because obviously you have rate cuts. Now, Roaring Kitty, the Kitty Roar on Twitter is another account that people are guessing is Roaring Kitty. Following nobody, they now have about 8,000 followers. Have been posting clips and memes. Now it's August 22nd and they haven't posted. Do you guys think this is actually Roaring Kitty? Let me know in the comments down below. GameStop options data is not being reported according to Stock Tracker. Short exempt volume pretty low, but again, volume is also low. Basically, touching on the charts really quick, nothing is happening, but you have touch point 1, 2, 3, and now you are right here. This wedge is likely to end latest September 3rd, but mainly August 30th, which is the day that we're watching, and we expect a move from there. As far as GameStop goes, same thing, touch point 1, 2, 3, waiting for a move by August 30th, one way or the other, and that's essentially what we're watching for both of these plays. Now, the US dollar index DXY hit its lowest level in 2024 as gold hit its all-time high record of 2,530. You guys can see what's happening. Now, the SPY is down 0.17% on the day, trading at 559.67. This is important to pay attention to for the SPY because we traded in this aggressive uptrend channel. Powell now speaks tomorrow, so we are reacting to that uncertainty. getting a flush down, actually breaking out of this channel. This is the bottom part, and we're getting a 4-hour candle under this channel. And if we get a 4-hour candle to close under this channel, this is not a bad spot, in my personal opinion, for puts with a stop loss right at 560.15. Okay, stop loss at 560.15, riding puts into Powell speaking. You have a good shot at coming down to around 546.50 or 543 on the SPY. However, a lot of people are expecting this bear case scenario, meaning this could fake everybody out. Powell could say some nasty things and we could come right up to 573.60 on the S&P 500. Just be very, very careful trading this, and I am using stop losses personally. Nvidia double topped at 127, came back down, held 124 above that level, which is a good thing to see. As long as Nvidia holds above 124, still looking pretty good. Now trading at 126.77, only down 1.5% on the day. Again, we have earnings coming up August 28th. We have just a crazy market coming into late August. Drop it in the comments down below. Do you think Nvidia will be up or down on earnings? Lastly, what are you looking at here? You're looking at the CEO absolutely dumping off shares of Nvidia recently. August 12th, dumping a ton of shares. Okay, so I believe Meta CEO was selling, and then Meta earnings came out and they cooked, right? That was recent. I don't know if it was the last earnings or the one before, but this is just something to pay attention to a little bit, not to build your whole thesis on. Tesla has a bullish chart here, trading in this channel still. Even though it cracked down, it's still trading in this channel, unlike the S&P 500, and it's actually holding it. Meaning Tesla, in my opinion, is a good spot right here for calls, but confirmation, we want to see it reclose above 220 to remain a little bit stronger on Tesla. Bitcoin broke out of this flag to the upside but got rejected at 61.5. Can we continue to build momentum up, or is this a fake out move to the upside before a flush down? Because that could very well be the case. 52K if we get that flush down, or watch for a close above 63,000. Last sprinkle on top. Do you think this is something that is going to happen with the market? Do you think gaps are going to get filled super, super low? Or do you think this is just going to be a major, major bear trap? Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. I got a lot of stuff to do today, so I'm sorry if the video was a little bit short, but I don't think it was too short. I think we covered what we had to cover. There are some stocks that I wanted to talk about and bring to your attention that I will be mentioning in Discord and maybe a YouTube post, so make sure to have post notifications on. Again, if you guys are interested in getting this sick action figure to leave next to your trading desk or whatever it is for free, press that link. I'll leave it at the top of this video. You're also getting up to 20 free stocks once you go through the link and deposit. So not only do you have a chance to win, but you're getting up to 20 free stocks and earning 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. They're also giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more as a retail trader. So go to that, guys. The third link under the video is for my Discord server, where I only charge a coffee a month, which is extremely cheap for the value that you get out of it. I post my trades as soon as I take them. We talk stocks and crypto all day long. Best vibes. Get in here, guys. You will not regret it. And then my custom indicator is the chartprime.com/lottery, where you can go get my pattern detection and forecasting and plug it into your TradingView charts for 2 weeks for free, no strings attached. And then you can cancel it if you don't like it. But my personal opinion, I believe I have the best indicator out there, and you're not going to want to cancel. So go get that, guys. That is it. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.